Hello, in this video we will focus on structure search, but first let's take a quick overview of our chemical drawing tool.
The drawing tool that we use at ChemSpace is Marvin.js, created by the Chemaxon. Few words about the main frames and functions. At the bottom of the tool window you can find the most frequently used aliphatic and aromatic cycles, as well as several functional groups such as carboxylic, boronic, sulfonic acids, and the azide group. On the right hand side you can find an atom list. It helps to choose and add atoms to your query. For example, fluorine or iodine, or replace them, using which you can turn benzene into pyridine and cyclopentane into THF. At the top here, there is access to the periodic table in case you need an extra atom that is not in the list. On the left hand side you can find options for atom selection and deletion. Also, you can change bonds, draw chains, increase or decrease charge, as well as select properties with the repeating group and change its attachment. On the top over here located basic features of importing, exporting files, undo, redo, cut, copy-paste, enhancing the view, and other settings. Let's focus on the search itself and start with the exact match. What we have to do is to draw our query molecule and submit the search. And within a second we receive the result. Now, Substructure Search. It is suitable for searching in both building block and screening compound catalogs. Again, we submit the query by pressing the search button. The results retrieving will start with the query molecule itself, if any. Then it will gradually be adding one by one atom in different positions and combinations from the multi-billion catalog. Also, Substructure Search works well if you put fragments of the molecule that are expected to be present in hits. For example, benzene, fluorine, two amine groups, and a sulfur. Press the search button, few moments, and we receive the results. Similarity search is more frequently used for searching in screening compound catalog. So we are drawing the query, submit the search, and receive the results. We use classical chemical similarity and the minimal cutoff for the results is 0.3.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our social networks.